BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly here, we mentioned how we can look for trade, and we mentioned in case this if we wants to buy from here, we wait to get the to conform with the correction. All right, and even we mentioned if there is a continuation with the flag, we can look for buy. Actually, there was a few trades set up based on lower time frame too. These two sharp move flag based on lower time frame, we could look for trade. This is the only way we could take this trade. Either we get this one correction or here. Rather than that, there was no other opportunity to look for trade, because if we move to 1 hour chart, even if we wants to look for this correction, it doesn't give us a really good correction. That's why we mentioned we can look at this correction, any continuation with the flag. All right. Anyway, if anyone get this trade, they should start to manage. It is not a really good trade setup, but this is the only way we could look for trade. And if we move to higher time frame, based on daily chart, as we mentioned, the price broke the previous top and we see the divergence, but still we can look for continuation. We don't need to really care about the divergence. That's mean even based on forward chart, we see the divergence. All right, what we're looking for continuation. Any correction from now or small flag, we can take the trade. But for example, based on forward chart, maybe we can expect any correction similar to any of this. We take the trade for continuation. And even if you move to forward chart, we mentioned after the breakout of the previous top, I mean the highest price, then we can any correction or any flag we can look for trade. But with after the breakout of the top, if I move to forward chart, if I put my line here, it will be more clear. All right, after the breakout of this, just as an indicative. All right, if we move to 1 hour chart, we see the price broke and continue. We didn't get any trade setup even based on 15 minutes. All right, I don't know whether anyone get the trade from here, but I don't call it the flag. And anyway, we mentioned after the breakout of the top, which is 644 or 645, any correction of flag, if we get, we can look for, we can take as a trade for continuation. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. If we want to look for buy, we have to wait to get the flag or correction. Okay, any trade we from now we consider as a short term. And again, we don't have any trade setup. It's better we wait to get the correction for continuation. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And whoever get the trade within this move, at least they should start to manage. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.